Searching for the perfect student accommodation in Sunderland? Welcome to Dunn House, your premier destination for vibrant student living. Dunn House offers a variety of room types tailored for your comfort and convenience. Choose a private studio with your own kitchen and bathroom, or opt for a two-bedroom apartment featuring shared communal spaces for a social atmosphere. And that's not all. Enjoy the ease of all bills included for a hassle-free experience. You'll have access to fantastic facilities including a gym, a communal TV, pool, and bike storage. With superfast Wi-Fi throughout, staying connected is effortless. Plus, benefit from on-site maintenance and 24/7 security for your peace of mind. Location couldn't be better with on-campus Sunderland and University of Sunderland City campus just a short commute away. Spend your weekends exploring Roker and Seaburn beaches or visiting the National Glass Center. Treat yourself at Tarantino's or Ember. With excellent transport links, discovering Sunderland is a breeze. Are you ready to elevate your student experience in Sunderland? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your place at Dunn House today.